Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nobuhiko Kojima from Ecocell. Our presentation title is Direct Aggregation Method to Form the Cell Society. So we will launch the company Ecocell in this week, actually in this Friday, so I am very excited. Our name, Ecocell, comes from ecology of cell. This is because to study the cell behavior in microenvironment is very critical to understand our health and diseases. So the aim of our company is to form the cell society by 3D culture system like spheroid. We believe that the spheroid has potential to be used in the drug development, but it is not easy to form spheroid with conventional method. Sometimes we failed to make spheroid like this. So we needed to establish an effective method to obtain the spheroid stably. So this upper part, this is showing the typical conventional method, 19/6 well U-bottom plate. We put cell suspension into the well, and first step, the cells are settled down, sedimented by gravity. And second step, they are going to aggregate by their own cell-cell adhesiveness. With this indirect procedure, if the cell has very low adhesiveness, they cannot form aggregate. On the other hand, we utilize 3% methyl cellulose medium. With this method, we injected cells rapidly, directly aggregated in 30 minutes by swelling of a high polymer solution. With this direct procedure, even the cell has very low adhesiveness, still we can form a spheroid. So this is a movie of aggregating cell. In this case, cells are aggregated. Cells are aggregated in 10 minutes. For example, human iPS cell-derived hepatocyte-like cells, they cannot form spheroid with conventional method. But with 3% methyl cellulose medium, it was able to be formed spheroid. And this kind of stable spheroid shows higher metabolic functions. It's close to primary hepatocyte, adult hepatocyte. So this kind of spheroid will be useful for the drug development. So when you order the pizza, you can select the size and the type of pizza dough, and you can choose various variety of topping to make your own pizza. So this is kind of custom-made pizza. And now you can also customize spheroid with our direct aggregation method. So for example, random, core shell, network, microchannel, nested, and ECM field structure, you can order, you can make this kind of spheroid. And these structures you can combine. So it means you can make your original spheroid. And such kind of original spheroid will help your research and development. So one of the strengths of spheroid is they have a lot of morphological information. So these three cells, they are isolated from same disease but different patient. And these cells are almost same in two-dimensional culture. And we try to make spheroid with conventional method, but it was not enough because number 2 and number 3 cells cannot form spheroid. But with our method, 3% methyl cellulose method, we were able to obtain the spheroids, and we found that they are completely different in shape, size, and surface conditions, and so on. Maybe this difference is very useful to distinguish the effect of anti-cancer drug. Because spheroid has a lot of morphological information that is very effective for the image-based assay. So left data is showing LDH assay, typical toxicity assay. In this case, you need taking a sample and a lot of pipetting and mixing, incubation, and measurement of absorbance. It takes several hours. But image-based assay, it was just taking photo. So we found that image-based assay can evaluate the toxicity as well as the LDH assay. So it means that you can save your manpower, time, and cost. We are also developing a robot. This is not final version, but in the future, mass production would be available. According to market forecast, global market for organoid spheroid is expected to reach $2.5 billion US dollar by 2028. Our target of share of market is 100 million US dollar. So this is final slide. We have 3 members: CTO Watanabe, CTO me, Kojima, and CSO Matsushima. This S doesn't mean strategy, but spheroid. Chief Spheroid Officer, because he is the best person to make, best person in the world to make spheroid. We are a very tiny company, but there are many collaborators. So this alliance would be promote to break ground for the spheroid market. If you are interested, please order the spheroid. We have a campaign, buy one, get one free. Thank you for your attention.